Assalamu alaikum and good morning my dear kuddies. And today is the last revision class of this year, okay? And next week you are having your final exam. I know you all are very well prepared for facing your exam, okay? Don't be tense. It will be very easy. Okay, and last week we had learned some question words and also pronouns, and this way we are going to look some 4 question words only. Okay, 4 question words, and which are those question words I will show you on the board. Which is the first one? W-H-I-C-H. Which is that? Which? Which is that? Which? Yes. Then the next one, W-H-E-N. What is that? When. When. The next one, W-H-Y. What is it? Why. And the last one, H-O-W. What is it? How. How. So the first one, which. Either. Okay. Then when. Eppol. Why. എന്തുകൊണ്ട്, how, എങ്ങനെ. Okay, there will be changes according to this situation. The meanings may be changing slightly. Okay, now you have to look onto the board. I will bring two sentences with each of these question words, and we two are going to read it together. Ready? Yes. So here you can see 2 sentences with which. Shall we read the first sentence? Yes. Which is the biggest animal on land? Which is the biggest animal on land? So you know the answer. Which is the biggest animal on land? Elephant. Yes. Shall we read the second question? Yes. Which month comes after March? Which month comes after March? Which month comes after March? April. Very good. Okay. Now look onto the board again. There are 2 sentences with when. Shall we read it? Yes. When is Christmas? When is Christmas? Can you tell me when is Christmas? Yes, December 25. When is Christmas? December 25. Then the next question, please read. When do you wake up? When do you wake up? So you have to tell the time. At 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. At what time you are waking up? You have to tell the time. Okay. Now you look onto the board. The next 2 sentences. Those 2 sentences are with why. Shall we read it? Yes. Why are you late? Enda late ayathu? There will be a reason for it. Okay? Yes, because I missed the bus, because I woke up late. You can say like that. Why are you late? Okay. So next sentence. Why didn't he do the work? Why didn't he do the work? Okay, there will be a reason for it. എന്തുകൊണ്ട് അവൻ്റെ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യാതിരുന്നത്? Maybe he is not well. Okay, yes. Then now look the last set of sentences on the board. Yes. How do you come to school? These are 2 sentences with how. How do you come to school? How do you come to school? Maybe by school bus, maybe by auto, maybe by bike or anything else. Yes. And the next, please read the next sentence. Yes. How many months are there in a year? How many months are there in a year? How many months are there in a year? Yes, 12 months. I know, children, you might have noticed. Look, the questions always starts with capital letter and ends with question marks. Have you seen the question marks there? Yes. Okay, for every questions there will be a question mark. And that was the end of today's class. And now I am believing that you all are reading your textbook very nicely. Okay, and I am believing you, I am trusting you that you can read sentences also. Okay, so inshallah, I think this may be the end of this year online YouTube classes, okay, of English, and inshallah we will meet again. Okay, bye bye, see you, assalamu alaikum, thank you.
Welcome to our House of Knowledge, Markazul Uloom English Senior Secondary School.
This is our preschool. We are like butterflies here, enjoying our learning. Loving and caring Mandis and Ayas are always there to help us. Just have a look at our little wonderful world.
Our school is one of the pioneer CBSE school in the Malappuram district, founded by the Ansar Islam Charitable Trust Kondoti under the chief patronship of Abdurrahman Sahib in the year 1983.
We have a profound academic background with many meritorious and inspiring alumni worldwide.
I am Ashfaq Ali, an alumni of Markazul Uloom English Senior Secondary School. I am currently working as Global Investigations Advisor at Amazon.
ഞാൻ 5ാം ക്ലാസ് മുതൽ 10ാം ക്ലാസ് വരെ പഠിച്ചത് മർക്കസിലാണ്. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ഞാനെന്നൊരു ഇൻഡിവിജ്വലിനെ ഒരുപാട് ബേസിക്സ് സെറ്റ് ചെയ്യപ്പെടുന്നതും ഫോം ചെയ്യപ്പെടുന്നതൊക്കെ ഞാൻ മർക്കസിൽ പഠിച്ചിരുന്ന സമയത്താണ്.
Alhamdulillah, we are molded with moral values and life skills.
Markaz gives an ambience to engage, enlighten and empower our intellectual and substantial well-being by providing us an holistic education. We are embedded with very good infrastructure with smart classrooms, knowledge hub, libraries and IT labs, science labs and so on.
Success is where opportunity and preparation meets. Here we get training in swimming, karate, taekwondo, chess, handball, so on.
Markaz is truly a glittering star, bagging several trophies in Kids Fest, Sports Meet, English Fest, Green Army, MTSE winners, Kabaddi, Handball, showed their skills in State Junior Football, 100% results in AISC and AISC examinations.
The school has been providing quality education from preschool to class 12. Even in this pandemic situation, the school has given wide opportunity in teaching and learning. We are giving YouTube classes as well as live classes simultaneously.
Aeroplane, aeroplane, start. Yes, കണ്ടുവോ നിങ്ങളെ? മഴയോ മഴ 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 പെരുമഴ. Tiger, tiger, you look. Hi, my name is Cockroach.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The first method is fixed capital method. And the second method is fluctuating capital method.
Cube, isn't it? Then how many faces in a cube? कालतुणर्नु कुलिचदल्ले.
उसके बाद हम आज पढ़ेंगे कहानी. आपको पसंद है कहानी?
Now look at this picture. What can you see there? ഏതൊക്കെ പക്ഷികളാണ് അവിടെ സ്ഥിരതാമസക്കാർ? നിങ്ങളൊന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ. നിങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരുപാട് പക്ഷികളെ കാണുന്നില്ലേ?
We are assessing our students through online exams and written exams. We give importance to co-curricular and creative activities.